Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, pull down the notification panel, find the toggle for that hotspot, which for me looks like it is right over here. So before you actually tap on it, hold it so we can actually change the settings. From here you're going to tap on Setup Portable Hotspot, and by default it will automatically select password. You can tap on the eye icon to see the existing password, but because it's randomly generated one, I would suggest that you completely remove it like so and set your own. It does need to have 8 characters in length, like so, at which point you will be able to save it. Then at the top we have the SSID, which is going to be the Wi-Fi name. So again, you can change this one if you want. So just call it whatever you want. From there we have security. I would keep it as it is, so we actually have some kind of security. Device identification, I would keep again as it is, and then the AP band, I would select it to 5 gigahertz. This will ensure that your connection will be faster and more stable, but there is a little bit of a caveat to it. If you enable it and your phone doesn't actually support 5 gigahertz, you simply won't see or won't be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. So you can basically enable it, see if your phone can see it or other device that you're trying to connect to it, and if it does, that's great. If it does not, then simply go back to the settings right here and drop it back down to 2.4, and that will ensure that basically any device can see it. And from there, tap on the check mark and you're basically all set. So you can leave it, and all you need to do now is tap on the toggle whenever you want to turn it on or off, like so. It will give you a pop-up that tethering hotspot is active, and it will give you an information if someone is connected. You can also tap on turn off from here, which is basically equivalent of tapping on that toggle up there anyway. And that is basically how you would set it up. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.